Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button for more videos. And today we're going to be unboxing the PowerA charging station for the Xbox One controllers. All right, so let's get into it. And I'll show you what's inside the box and what it comes with. And the price for this on Amazon was $29.99, but they're having a huge sale right now. I don't know how long it's going to last, but you can always go and find out. I'll put the link in the description below so you can check it out. But right now it's on sale for $17.99, which is a huge difference from $29.99. So it comes with a little booklet that you don't really need to read. And here's the charging dock in this plastic. Very secure plastic. Holy hell. This thing also comes in black and also comes with just like one side like this for one controller, which is like $15.99. Makes no sense to buy for $2 less when you can get one for double. Unless you have no friends and you only have one controller in your life, then you can buy the $15.99 one. Now, these are the batteries that they super glued to the plastic. Jeez. Almost dropped it, but I saved it because I got quick hands. Oh, I thought they only gave me one, but let's see. All right, so there's two doors for the controller. That's good, as you can see. Two batteries, 1100 voltage, power MAH, whatever that means. So that means it will stay charged for a long time, and you get a good amount of playing time. And also comes with this, a power brick, which I wasn't really expecting because most of these things nowadays, they have the the type, this thing, these wires that you plug in the back. So now I don't have to use this anymore. I get to plug it in this thing, PowerA charging dock. Where is the source? Oh, it's on the bottom. So I'm guessing you plug it right here, and then the wire runs right there, and that fell. And let's unscrew this thing so we can get some power, so I can show you guys. This thing is on there, huh? But like I said before, this thing feels plasticky, but doesn't feel like cheap, very cheap, but it feels sturdy enough that will last a long time. Let's plug this in. And it comes with LEDs to let you know if it's finished charging. If I say if it's finished controlling, of course, finished charging. Let's put the battery in, and I'm gonna show you how to put a battery in. Do I? We all know this part has to face out for it to charge in the dock, like that. Then we drop this part in like so, but there's a trick to it. It's not going to be charging unless you click it down, and there's a red LED to let you know, hey, I'm charging. And then when it's green, it's like, hey, I'm done charging. So basically that's it. And the other one will go right there. I don't know. I don't like the wire where it's running under. And there's a little slot right there, because then you're only limited to actually facing it this way. And I gotta like set up my desk different, like put this behind the desk. But that's about it. Everything seems legit. And I wonder when it's finished charging and it turns green, does it shut off or does it keep charging and ruin the batteries? Not sure about that. I have to look into that. And when you don't want it to charge, you just tap and it pops up. But the fact that they gave you 2 batteries, 2 doors, no 2 controllers, well, you weren't expecting to get 2 controllers for $17.99, but this thing seems legit. I like it. So like I said, the link will be in the description so you can check it out. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. This is Low Key Fanatic, and I'm out.